Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been so long since I've sat down and filmed a video. I've been really busy the past couple months and I kind of lost the motivation to make more videos. During the summer I went through something and it was hard for me to just sit in front of the camera and make a video for you guys. Recently just started college and I'm done with my first semester. It's been really stressful and I finally now made the time to sit down and film a video for you guys. I wanted to film a makeup tutorial for you guys, but I felt like why not switch things up a bit and let you guys in on my favorite products of this year. These products are my favorite go-to products and I am so excited to share with you guys. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. So the first product I want to share with you guys is the Hempz Ultra Moisturizing Herbal Lip Balm. This is the best lip balm. So in this is 100% pure natural hemp seed oil. It is paraben free, gluten free, 100% vegan and THC free. I love the formula of this. It glides on so nicely. I never feel the need to reapply and it doesn't dry out my lips and it keeps my lips shiny, which I like. This is an essential. I think it's a must-have. I think it's pretty expensive though, probably about $8–9, but I think it's really worth it. So I should try it out. The next product I want to talk to you guys about is the Tatcha water cream. It is my favorite moisturizer. I started using moisturizer like in sophomore year and I started out with the e.l.f. one and that one's really good and smells really nice, but it did make my face really oily. So I picked this up during the summer and I fell in love with it. It's kind of expensive though. I don't remember the price. I think it was around $30 or $40. My skin absorbs it really nicely. I always use this at night before I go to bed. I use this to prep my skin when I'm about to wear makeup right before primers. I think it's the best moisturizer for oily skin. And yeah, a must-have. The Benefit Gimme Brow. It is really tiny for $24, but I love this product. I started using this around August and I have not changed my brow routine since then. What I do is brush this quickly through my brows and then I clean up my brows with concealer, and if I feel that there's some sparse areas or I need more definition in my brows, then I use a brow pencil and fill that part in. But usually I just brush this quickly through my brows and then conceal and that's it. This has brow volumizing fiber gel in it. So I feel like this makes your brows look more fluffy. I think this is a really good product if you guys want your brows to look a bit more natural. I'm never changing my brow routine and it has made getting ready for school so much faster, and I am in the shade 3. My next product that I want to share with you guys is the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. I'm in the shade Light 20. It is $6, so it's super worth, and I've been using it to highlight my face and I love how this feels on my face. It does not feel cakey at all and it looks so good, so natural, and does not feel like you're wearing anything. So I feel like this is a really good. Next product I'm going to be talking about is the Colourpop Yes Please palette. I used this in my prom video. It is my go-to palette. I have a couple other palettes, but whenever I want to do my makeup, I always pick this one up first because of the colors. They're so pretty. I love warm tones, warm orangey pink tones. It blends really nicely on my eyes. The color payoff is really nice. The shimmers are really pigmented, which I love, and which makes this palette really worth the price. I believe it was either $12 or $16, but I think it's totally worth it. Next product I want to talk about are the lashes on my eyes. These are the Koko lashes in Goddess. I purchased them online and they were about $7 or $8 and they arrived within 2 days and I am in love with them. I feel like these are the only lashes that make my eyes pop. It's hard for me to find lashes that actually show and are visible with my eyes because of my puffy eyelids. Most falsies that I have, whenever I take pictures with them, they don't show, and that's because my eyelids are like pushing them down. I am in love with them, and these will be forever my favorite go-to dramatic lashes. The Hustla Baby Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter. I recently purchased this like about 2 weeks ago, and I've been using it non-stop. It is the prettiest, in my opinion, champagne highlighter I have ever used. It's kind of like the Becca Champagne Pop. I use this on my cheekbones, my nose bridge, and to highlight the inner corners of my eyes and my brow bone. Moving on to the lips, I have 3 lip products that I want to share with you guys. My favorite lip pencil. It is the Colourpop Lippie pencil in the shade BFF. They have BFF and BFF2, I believe. I think this is the perfect, better version of my lip color. I quickly bought another one, and I am in love with this, and I'm obsessed, and this is the best. The next lip product I want to talk to you guys about is the Venti Lip Glosses. These are the Fenty Gloss Bombs. This one is in the shade Fenty Glow, and this one is Fussy. This lip gloss does not dry out your lips at all. You do not have to reapply unless you wipe it off and stuff. It's not too sticky. It's very moisturizing. I use this 24/7. I am in love with this product. These are the best lip glosses I've ever tried out and purchased. It is kind of pricey. They are $18 each. I feel like these are the best lip glosses you will ever find. So I highly recommend these, and these are my favorite. Next lip product I want to share with you guys is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. This is in the shade London. It's a super pretty, I would say, orangey nude. This is the best and the cutest shade. I love this. You guys should try it out. And that's the wrap to my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I highly recommend all these products. I'll be listing them down in the description box down below. A lot of these products are affordable, so I hope you guys do try them out. If you guys haven't already, you guys can subscribe and like and comment if you guys like this video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram if you haven't already at @DareKelly. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!